Tuloy ang iba't ibang idea para sa mga fundraiser na alay sa mga biktima ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy. Sa May 31, magsasama-sama ang mga Vancouver Realtor para sa One Cause, One Heart, One Kapwa. Alamin kung paano ito suportahan sa report ni Rhea Santos.
We lost one of our own in that we lost one realtor and his family. And so it really is a celebration of the work that he's done and the legacy that he's left, as well as all of the others who have lost their lives.
Nakilala ng bahagya ni Celine Bacani sa industriyang kanilang ginagalawan ang realtor na si Richard Lee, pumanaw sa Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy April 26 kasama ang kanyang asawa at 5 taong gulang na anak. Matatanda ang bumuhos ang pakikiramay sa naulilang 16 na taong gulang na anak ni Lee na si Andy.
We are just a month out from the event, and it still needs to be top of mind. So the work, doesn't stop. In fact, it starts now.
It started as a small chat group.
Then it turned into shared intention
to honor one of our own.
Sa May 31, magsasama-sama ang mga realtors sa Vancouver para sa isang fundraiser na tinawag na One Cause, One Heart, One Kapwa.
Join us for moments of remembrance, for the joy of being together.
For one cause.
For one community.
This has not been done before, a realtor-led initiative specifically with Filipino realtors, trying to garner all of our industry connects, all of our industry contacts, to put on something and raise money for good.
Coming together as an industry, not making it about us or our businesses, and making it for the people that were affected it was a no-brainer. It was like, yes, I'm in. What do you need me for?
Nanood ng concert si Michelle Legaspi kasama ang kanyang ina noong Lapu-Lapu Day block party. Nagdesisyon na sa bahay na lang kumain kaysa bumili ng pagkain kung saan nakapwesto ang mga food truck, lugar kung saan nangyari ang malagim na trahedya.
It was a rough mga first 2 weeks just wrapping my head around what could have been had we stopped for food, had we stayed for the whole set, all these what ifs. And like those split-second moments where you realize that could have changed my life.
Through music, laughter,
and love.
To begin the healing.
In a moment of unity.
In a safe space
for connection and reflection.
We have Philcast doing a cultural performance, as well as Miss Joey Albert coming to sing and serenade us with a few songs. One of the big things that we realized after this event is that tomorrow is not promised. I think it's an opportunity for us to put our work aside and come together.
Para makapag-donate, pumunta lamang sa Facebook account na Realtors for Lapu-Lapu. Sa Sabado, imbitado ang lahat sa One Cause, One Heart, One Kapwa na magaganap sa Blessed Sacrament Parish sa Vancouver.
We stand as one.
Sa darating na May 31 Sabado, isasantabi ng mga Vancouver Realtor ang kompetisyon para sa iisang layunin, ang makalikom ng $100,000 na ibibigay nila sa The Canadian Red Cross para sa mga biktima ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.